In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlighting from text in a Microsoft Word. If you have text in a Microsoft Word document that has been highlighted and you want to remove that highlighting, you can do it quickly using the Text Highlight Color option. This is useful when you're cleaning up a document, removing formatting you no longer need, or simply want your text to return to its normal appearance. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the text that has the highlighting you want to remove. If you only want to remove the highlighting from a specific section of text, click and drag your mouse over the highlighted text. Make sure that you select all of the text where you want the highlighting removed. Once the text is selected, you can change its highlighting without affecting other parts of the document. If your Word document contains a lot of highlighted text and you want to remove all of the highlighting at once, you can select all of the text in the document. To do this, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will select all of the text throughout the document. Once your desired text is selected, look at the ribbon at the top of Microsoft Word and select the Home tab. This tab contains many of the tools you can use to format and edit your text. Next, locate the Font group. Within the section, look for the Text Highlight Color icon. This is the tool that controls the highlight color applied to your selected text. Select the Text Highlight Color icon to open its drop-down menu. You will see different color options that you can use to apply highlighting to your text. However, since the goal is to remove the highlighting, you don't want to choose another color. Instead, select No Color from the drop-down menu. Microsoft Word will immediately remove the highlighting from the selected text. If you selected only a specific section earlier, the highlighting will be removed from that selected section while the rest of the document remains unchanged. If you used Ctrl+A to select the entire document, the highlighting will be removed from all of the selected text. This method gives you a quick way to clean up highlighted text without having to edit each section individually. Just remember to select the appropriate text first, then use the Text Highlight Color option under the Home tab and choose No Color. And that's how you can remove highlighting from text in a Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.